Aloha, bitches! Woo! Alright. Feel like having a fucking chunk of fucking prime rib steak. Got here $16.78. 1.38 or 9, I don't know, can't read it. Kilos. So that's like 3 pounds. 48 ounces. Alright. I'm doing this on the pit bitch today. See how that comes out. I'm not gonna sear it. Fuck it. Too fucking lazy. I'm just gonna put some fucking olive oil on there and some Montreal Steak Spice and see what happens. Let her go. Fucking yee fucking ha. Nice. And deciding not to wash it today. Sometimes I wash the roast, sometimes I don't. Or the steak, or the chicken. Always wash your chicken. People say, don't wash your chicken. Fucking right. Wash your fucking chicken. Oh, fuck. I'm opening oil before I open beer. Okay. This is a fucking problem. Bitchy! I think I've had enough fucking beers for one day. Alright. It's gonna be dark soon. So, most of this stuff's gonna be shot inside. Short, sweet. Ah, famous last words. Woo! Alright. A little bit of olive oil. Lube it up. Lube. Lube your meat. Nice. Nice chunk of beef, tell you that. For that price, fucking A. It was like, I don't know, $5.88 or $5.89 a pound. Normally it's like 15 bucks. Okay. Montreal Steak Spice. Have at her. Let her fucking rip. I love this shit. Fucking A. Fucking A rights it is. Fucking good. Jim fucking dandy. Alright. Pit bitch is going. I don't know how long it's gonna take. A few hours. Only gonna do it around at 2:25. I'm in no fucking rush. Still gotta get high. Been a busy day. Fucking that fucking bitch ain't gonna stand up, is she? Nope. Damn. Well, we'll figure something out. Alright, let's go outside. And we'll be back. Okay, drink up, buttercup. Woo! 20th of December, 2018. Almost Christmas. And it's almost 420, so I need to consume some medicinal stuff. Alright, see you in a bit. Ata. Alright, bitches. Let's get this show on the road. Yummy. As you can see, she's getting dark. Now, you're gonna stand. You're gonna be good. You're not gonna stand. Canada. All right. stay, bitch. We'll see if it stays. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. I'll spritz it. I don't know what I'm gonna spritz it with. I'm gonna spritz it with water, maybe some beef broth. I don't know. How long is it gonna be here? A few hours anyway. I'm only doing 225, so we'll see. Will I wrap it and save some juices so I can make a gravy? I don't know. I don't know. Flying, you know, fly by wire. Who the fuck knows? That's the way she goes in the drunk house. All right, bitches. As you can see, it's getting dark, so RTFO, mofos. I'm gonna light a fire. All right. See you in a bit. All right, bitches. It's only been a few minutes. Got myself organized, and the thing did fall over, of course. I knew it was going to. So, cheers, big ears. I'm just gonna use water for spraying, spritzing, and somewhere I heard smoke sticks to cold, wet meat. I don't know, is that true? We'll find out. You don't get a lot of smoke flavor from the pit bitch anyway. It's okay. I think this is gonna be fucking scrumptious. I'm bothering the cardinals. Okay, I'll be out of here in a minute. Fuck off. Bitches. Alright, we'll be back. RTFO, mofos. Woo! Hey, bitches. Hey, sorry, this is gonna be way fucking overdone. Sorry. I forgot I was actually fucking cooking something. I was over at a buddy's place, and it's like, oh fuck. Like, oh! He started to make supper. It's like, holy shit, I got something on the fucking pit bitch. So I took it off. It was like 135. So this is gonna be way over for how I like it. But I tell you, it's still gonna be fucking delicious. It just won't be as lovely pink as I want. I haven't even peeled my fucking potatoes yet. You know what? No, fuck it. I got fries in the freezer. I'm gonna have fucking prime rib and fries. There you go. Fuck that. Just gently tent this. Lightly tent it. Tent it however the fuck you want. That's how I fucking do it. You don't like it? Fuck right off. Alright. Woo! Mofo! Cheers, fuck nuts. Drink up, buttercup. We'll be back. I'm gonna peel some fucking potatoes and mash them. I'm getting mashed. I am mashed. I'm mashed right up. Woo! Okay, mofos. Here's a prime example on how really fucking stoned I am. I said I was gonna make fries, and what did I do? I started peeling potatoes to make mashed potatoes. So, because I have fries in the freezer, I do. And I was doing a fry video, fucking thingamajig. And then all of a sudden, it's like, yeah, I'm gonna have fries. And then I started peeling fucking potatoes. Now I gotta make mashed potatoes. This is gonna be fucking so fucked. But you know what? This is drunk cooking at its finest. You think I give a fucking shit? Woo! Fuck no. Prosit. Cheers, big ears. Drink up, buttercup. And shut the fuck up. Woo! Yeah! Okay. I gotta, I don't know, refocus. Refocus? I was gonna make up a word, but fuck it. But, okay, mofos. I am actually making garlic mashed potatoes. Cheers, big ears. Fuck, pissed me off. This fucking meat's gonna be cold. I don't give a fuck. This is the way we roll in fucking drunk house. You never know what kind of fucking drunk supper we're having tonight. Alright, RTFO, mofos. Okay, motherfuckers, we're boiling. We got lots of cloves of garlic in there. We got lots of potatoes in there, and we got lots of beer in here. Woo! It's getting steamy in here, bitches. Woo! Okay. Kind of fucked up, and I don't give a fuck. Got a heater in my truck, and I'm off the rodeo. Alright, bitches. My french fries, potatoes, mashed garlic, are ready. Fuck, man. I don't even know. I'm just so fucking wasted. Okay, this is way overdone and blah, blah, blah. I don't give a fuck for it. It's gonna be delicious. It is gonna be good. So, smells fucking awesome. But first of all, let's, cheers, big ears, drink up, buttercup. Oh, fuck yeah. Alright. See, now I'm ass backwards again. Should have done it the other way. This ain't gonna get my arm. Oh, I don't care. We'll do a root boy thing. Put the arm in the way. But I'm not zoomed in close enough to be like a root boy special. But the root boy rules. Go check him out, because he's awesome. But he plays Fallout. And he knows that Fallout 76 sucks. Oh, hello. It's not that bad. It is over for what I like. Got a nice bit of fucking grizzle down the middle. It's alright. Let's just, put a little bit of salt on that. Okay. For all the fucking douchebags out there, the purists. Oh, you didn't try it. I like salt. That's nice. It is smoking. Ha! First time the pit bitch actually tasted smoky is with beef. That's the first beef thing I've cooked on it. We need some fucking horseradish though. Fucking A, bitches. Woo! Get into the Buchanan, bitches. There's some good fucking tunage right here. Tell you that right fucking now. What else? Oh, it's salt. Need some more pepper for the mashed potatoes too. Yeah. Bitchy. A little bit of salt. Okay. Alright, bitches. Let's eat this mofo right up. See what's going on. It's tender. A little overdone for my liking, but it is very tasty. Well, I was a dumbass, and like I said, I was visiting, and I had totally forgot about it. Woo! Horseradish. Oh yeah. Potato, garlic mash. Not french fries. Oh yeah. That's fucking nice. Well, sure it does not have the crust on it like a something that's been seared, but you know what? The pit bitch actually was pretty fucking good. Right on. Another one for the pit bitch. Woo! Bro. Oh, these fucking potatoes are awesome. I made good fucking garlic mash. Piece of garlic right there. Don't use powder, use real garlic. Alright, well, I'm gonna fucking continue to devour this. This is fucking awesome. Even though I really have a full beer, had a full beer at this time, at this place, at this very fucking moment. It's time for a tea. And today, our tea is brought to you by the Trailer Park Boys. Trailer Park Boys Lager, Freedom 35, bitches. Yeah, haven't seen one of them in a while, eh? Fuck yeah! Woo! Prosit, little sauces. Wait. You can look at this. You're allowed. It still is a bit pink. Not nearly as pink as I would like, but it's still good. And in the morning, when I slice that up and fry that with my fucking eggs and have that with HP, I might make a video of that too. I don't know. Why the fuck not? Woo! Okay, I gotta eat. I'm fucking hungry. Alright, arrivederci Roma. Take it easy. Piano, piano. Okay, bitches. Just one last bite. Woo! Got some fucking potatoes. They're good. Oh yeah. Meat. I already ate all the fucking, what do you call that? Horseradish. Oh yeah. Meat and potatoes. Oh fuck me. That's fucking good. Woo! Alright. I love nut motherfuckers. Ta-ta. RTFO. Drink. Cheers, big air. Gutter cheeks. Ta-ta.